Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'm using this Christmas card and these frames from Dollar Tree. I took the Christmas card and cut the front part of it off, removed the glass from one of the frames, and I'm only using one piece of glass from that frame. I lined it up with the card and traced it out and cut that. To attach the card to the glass, I'm using Tacky glue, which I got from Dollar Tree. I just spread a layer on the glass and then place down the card. And to put the card through the frame, I have to remove that front piece because it sticks up a little bit. And then I just set those aside for now. On the next frame, I just remove the paper insert from them and keep the glass in there. I take Snow Tex, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and a paintbrush and just apply it to the inside border of the frame right on the glass and the edge of the frame on the inside. Just do a nice thick layer, cleaning up any excess with a baby wipe. Use my heating tool to dry it. Next, I'm taking these fairy lights that I get from Amazon and putting it through the frame where the glass goes. I string just about all of it through, leaving the battery pack so it's going to be on the outside. I put back in the piece of glass that has the card on it, hot glue that center piece that I had pulled off, and then there was another little piece that had some wording on it. I left the little sticky part on there so it sticks out a little bit further than the rest of the card. And then take the fairy lights I had strung through and kind of just push them all around the border and just keep pushing them to the side until they're formed all around the border on the inside. And then I take my other frame that I have the Snow Tex on, and on the back side of it I add some hot glue and then place that down onto the other frame. And then flip it over and hot glue the battery pack down. And then I'm taking Glamour Dust by Decor, which I got from Amazon, and I am just applying a very small amount to these Snow Tex. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.